Oh
So I know you're not very excited. We can wait a couple more days.
Yeah.
Do you want to wait a couple more days? We can leave because I'm here.
Build up the anticipation.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
All right.
So excited.
Hope you're ready for your new home.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
It's just like I planned it. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, babe. Holy.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Whoa. Whoa.
She thinks it's okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Which part?
Every
part. All the parts.
Oh my god. It's so good.
It's
It's so beautiful.
This, yep.
Is it what you were thinking?
It is so beyond what I was thinking. It is so beautiful.
Isn't that fabric gorgeous?
It is so gorgeous. Look at these pillows. She had extra fabric for this.
Oh, just enough. We just skimped it in.
Look at this.
It's like we're in a 70s movie, just like we wanted.
50s, no?
Brendan.
70s.
Oh, 70s.
Oh, 70s.
70s.
During the entire video tour, I said the van was inspired by the 50s. It's actually the 70s.
You're gonna have to do it over, sorry.
Oh, shoot.
This is nuts.
This is the good nuts.
Yeah.
Good nuts.
Like, this is so much better than I
What were you expecting?
What are you expecting? Really? What were you expecting?
That's great.
I don't know. Like, this is so nice and big. Look at
You know how many clients that I wanted to use those handles for, and no one went for them until you, so thank you.
like, beveled mirror. Like,
Oh, I love it.
damn.
And the locks also go into these slots here, so you can lock it while it's open. There you go.
It's beautiful.
Now it's inset, so I routed it into the wood, so it's actually inset in there, and it's beveled for style.
Yeah.
With this van, there's no way that you could have gone with a stick mirror.
So we love like 70s like rock kind of. That's like kind of a vibe we have.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's probably not something. I was about to say it's probably not something we would do in our home. Like to go. So it's like, oh, let's do something fun.
Yeah.
Looking at this, we would do this in our home. This is so stunning, right?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. So we thought, oh, we can like do something fun and different.
Yeah.
And so, we just love a fun challenge. And so when we thought bus, we just immediately thought tour bus because we always talk about
That's
rock stars.
the era we should have been. We should have been in our prime.
I tell
We
you,
missed our chance.
that was my error. So it was a fun time. It really was.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. I like the 70s better than the 80s.
same.
But the music,
Yeah.
the vibe, everything, the 70s was really cool.
Yeah, so we thought, oh, it'd be fun to have a fun 70s tour bus that's stunning, and we got it.
And you got it. You really did. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. Like, based on everything we can see with the product, it looks like it was incredible craftsmanship and hard work, and we're so grateful. We're gonna enjoy it so much every day.
Really appreciate all the work that went into this. The craftsmanship is really excellent, and I know this was a ton of work. We're so happy.
What I had in my mind, but 10 times better. Funny, we had these conversations with them, and little things that we mentioned early on like showed up in the van.
Yep.
And I just kind of made it perfect, made it perfectly ours.
We're very willing to work with everything that we, by we I mean you, suggested we get in there. And
Yeah.
it's great.
Yeah.
Can't wait to hit the road.
Yeah, it already feels like our little home.
Mm-hmm.
So really excited.